In the interest of building muscle, what's more important, diet or exercise? Well, there's two answers to this. The first of which is exercise. That is by far the most important factor when it comes to building muscle, because I don't care what your protein intake looks like or your diet looks like, you're not building jack squat without that mechanical resistance against the muscle applied in a consistent and progressive manner. But the second answer is why questions like this can totally screw you over in the long run, causing you to work twice as hard for a fraction of your potential results. While there may be a single variable, like exercise, that can carry the lion's share of the effectiveness towards the result you're looking for, the more you hyperfixate on a single thing, the more screwed over you're going to be in the long run. Your results don't come from any single particular diet or exercise habit. Instead, it's a multi-influential approach that collectively adds up to more influence over the fundamental process that does determine your results. So in the case of building muscle, we have a stimulus and then we have adaptation. And of course, that stimulus is coming from our strength training, but we also need the ability to adapt to that stimulus. And that's where diet comes into play, as well as sleep, as well as recovery, as well as all the other things. And the more we get hyperfixated on one thing, the more you're trying to make big things happen from small actions, which is why you hold yourself back, and you're also ignoring a lot of the things that are going to contribute to your results. And it can even get worse over time, because a lot of times we get hyperfixated more and more and more, kind of like hyperfixating on a aspect of a fractal. It's like, okay, so the most important thing is diet, let's say. Okay, so what's the most important part of diet? Well, that's protein. What's the most important part of protein? That's a particular amino acid like leucine or whatever. So the more you get hyperfixated on something, the less influence that thing has over your results, and the more you're ignoring everything else that is collectively much more important. So you're basically ignoring most of the things that determine your success, which causes you, again, to work so much harder than you need to for so much less results to gain and maintain them. Many variables matter, and nothing can compensate for a lack of another one. So yeah, exercise may be the biggest thing in building muscle, but if you're not getting much in the way of a healthy diet and protein and stuff, no amount of push-ups is going to compensate or overcome a significant decrease in protein intake, for example. So you have to get the protein to cover your protein needs. You can't cover that with exercise. But the same thing goes the other way too. You can choke down protein shakes all day long, but if you're not hitting the gym, there's no way in hell your protein will overcompensate the lack of that mechanical resistance. But also think of it like a shopping list at a grocery store. Like, okay, protein, is it important? Yes. And you can look at getting a good amount of protein at each meal. But once that's checked off, you don't keep filling your shopping cart with endless amounts of that one item, because it's like, I've checked it off, I've got it covered, it's done. We move on to other things that are also very important. Once you've covered that base, focusing more on it isn't probably going to do you any good. And chances are really good that the thing that is holding you back is that variable you're not really paying that much attention to. Be fit, live free.